I'm going to cut them so that they're even all the way around. And then I've got either the dark or the light that I can use for the back. And then that's what I need to write down.
That is so pretty.
I need to get some of this kind of stuff. This is, this you put in between the layers. And it's so that you can put hot stuff on it.
Hot stuff meaning?
High temperature things. So you can
use it. Iron it, stuff on it.
No, you put it in between here so you can put hot drinks.
Oh,
that
like
kind of thing.
These are going to be hot pad holders.
No, they're not really hot pad holders. They're going to be coasters. But if she wants to put a hot drink on there so that it doesn't mess up things, she can do that.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's really cool.
Or she could put it underneath if she wanted to. She could put it underneath, I can't remember what they call those things, but she could put it under a pan of hot food, just, a small pan.
That's what I would do.
And she'll have enough there to do, because I think I'm going to make a couple more. I've got some of my squares there, but I did it a little differently than what the pattern said to do, because the pattern was really difficult. You sewed part, and then you came back and sewed it the other way, and I thought, okay, if I put these together just like they're supposed to be, I can set it up so that I can make one seam instead of doing halfway and then turning and doing another half. So, you know me, I had to find the easiest way to do it. So
that's beautiful. That's going to be so cool. She's going to love that.
Well, and I thought too, if I made a little basket, I could weave some of the fabric in between, just take it like this and stitch it.
That would be so cute.
And then weave it in between the pieces of twine or rope that I'm going to sew on my machine. And then that way she'd have something that would match this also.
That is cool.
So that was my game plan of all of it.
Wow.
And I've got lots of this, a lot of these strips that would just, and if I wanted to take the time, I could make the strips so that I could actually make the basket out of that. But I really don't have the time to do that. So I thought, well, I would just do it that way, twine it through that. And see, this is like, you take it.
That is beautiful.
And this would probably work. This is like some of it. And you can make like an oblong one. And what you do is you start by stitching it through there, zigzag, and then you just keep winding it around.
To make a bowl?
Yes. You make the bottom.
Neat.
You make the bottom of the bowl, and then I thought, well, how do you do the sides? Well, when you do the sides, and you're all done with the bottom, you just tip the bowl so it's at an angle on your sewing machine and just keep sewing.
Oh my goodness.
So I think
that is really cool.
Yeah, I'm excited about doing it. And it said as long as you have a zigzag. And I thought another thing I can do, I've got all these little pieces of extra thread on my bobbin and also pieces of thread. So I thought what I would do is just take and mix and match all the different ones and have kind of a zigzag design with different colors and things throughout the bowl.
Oh, wow. That sounds really cool.
I want you to take a picture of him, not now, but sometime in the future, I want you to take a picture of him throwing the ball to me.
Oh, I totally will. We'll put that on YouTube. Yeah. That'll be cute. I put my animals on YouTube all the time. Hank, when you want to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube?
Star.
Look at, your nose is going to be on YouTube. Look, and their sister. Sister will be on YouTube too. We want the puppies on YouTube. We love them. Yes, and me talking baby talk every time on YouTube.
Oh, I talk
always.
My animals. They really like it. They do.
They like it.
Oh, well, here, you go get the ball. Here, we'll do it in the kitchen. I'm having to do it here. Come throw it to me, Hank. Throw it to me.
Oh, he's bringing it.
Hank, throw it to me. What you throw? Throw it to me. Get it over here. Get it over here.
There you go. I got him. He's such a smart boy.
He is a smart little boy.
He's such a smart boy.